Thousands of tiny components come together to create a machine that can fly. But how is a modern drone actually assembled? It starts with the frame, designed to be lightweight, strong, and precisely balanced. Next, the electronics are assembled. Tiny components form the circuits that control almost electronic components form the drone's control system. At the center is the flight controller, constantly processing information to keep the aircraft stable. These compact brushless motors provide the precise rotation needed for flight. Brushless motors provide the power for flight. Each motor is carefully mounted and aligned so the four corners of the drone can work together. Each motor is precisely mounted and aligned. Even the propellers require precision. Every propeller must be precisely shaped and balanced. The power system is assembled next. Battery electronics monitoring and managing the energy supplied to the drone. The power system manages energy for the entire drone. For camera drones, another precision component is the imaging system, where tiny lenses and sensors capture the visual image. A miniature gimbal can then stabilize the camera, making the footage smooth even while the drone is moving. A miniature gimbal keeps